Zaman bergerak dengan cepat, bahkan lebih cepat dari degup jantung manusia itu sendiri. Ribuan, bahkan jutaan informasi bertebaran bersama debu. Tanpa pijakan yang kuat, akan mudah rasanya terbawa informasi ke sana dan kemari. Teknologi membawa yang jauh menjadi dekat. Namun, mengapa rasanya yang dekat kian menjauh? Pola kehidupan mulai kehilangan porosnya. Indah dan hangatnya cerita terganti dengan layar kaca. Kuasa beralih kepada dering notifikasi tanpa jeda. Ada apa dengan manusia, dengan kita?
Ngobrol yuk.
Lah, ya udah, kalau mau ngobrol jangan ngobrol aja. Kita kan juga dengerin.
Awi canggung banget sih kalau ngomong gitu ya.
Duh, ini lo bisa nggak ngerjain ini?
Udah sih AI aja.
Lah, iya, gue juga udah bentuk banget ngerjain itu.
Iya sih.
Duh guys, 5 menit aja tanpa teknologi kalian itu. Kita ini udah lupa ya sama caranya.
Terima kasih ya sudah mengingatkan. Kamu hebat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Shalom,
Om Swastiastu,
Namo Buddhaya,
salam kebajikan,
and warm greetings to everyone here today. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to God Almighty, whose blessing allow us to gather and officially open the Dr. Data 2026 this morning.
We extend our warmest regards to the Honorable Prof. Dr. Tarno, MSE, Head of the Department of Statistics, Universitas Diponegoro, to our respected lecturers, to Naila Vanessa Pramesti, President of Himasta 2026, and of course, all enthusiastic participants joining Dr. Data 2026.
As an old saying goes, to know is to appreciate. Therefore, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Giovanni with my partner.
Shanaya,
We are delighted to serve as your Master of Ceremony throughout today's event.
It is truly a pleasure to welcome all of you to the opening ceremony of Dr. Data 2026. Before we proceed with the agenda, let us begin by centering ourselves in prayers. We invite everyone to pray according to their own beliefs and traditions. Prayer starts. Prayer concluded.
Hi Shanaya, doing good today?
I'm doing great, honestly. I'm so excited for Dr. Data 2026. I hope you feel the same way.
I'm also feeling really good, especially because I get the chance to accompany all of you throughout the day's opening ceremony of Dr. Data 2026.
That's right, and I'm sure many of you can't wait to get started. So, let me walk you through the agenda we have for this morning. First, the opening. Second, singing of the Indonesian National Anthem. Third, singing of the Universitas Diponegoro March. Fourth, remarks and official opening of Dr. Data 2026.
Fifth, introduction to Dr. Data 2026. Sixth, explanation of competition branches. Seventh, performance of BIOS. Eighth, closing. We hope that today's agenda will run smoothly and that you can enjoy every part of the program prepared for you.
Alright, without further ado, let's continue to the next segment.
That's right. Moving on to the next part of our program, we will now sing the Indonesian National Anthem, Indonesia Raya. Followed by Universitas Diponegoro March, we kindly ask all attendees to please stand. Thank you. You may now be seated.
Moving on to the next agenda, we will now listen to the opening address from our chairperson of Dr. Data 2026. We would like to invite Nabila Hilmi Sonia to deliver her address.
Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God for His blessings that allow us to gather here today. My name is Nabila Hilmi Sonia, and as the chairperson of Dr. Data, I am honored to welcome you all to this event. In today's digital era, data is the new pulse of our society. Through Dr. Data, we aim to diagnose challenges and provide treatment through insightful data analysis and literacy. I hope this event serves as a valuable platform for all of us to learn, share, and grow together. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the committee and our partners for their hard work in making this event possible. To all participants, please enjoy the session. Thank you, and let's make some data-driven impact.
Thank you, Hilmi, for your warm and thoughtful message. May all your hopes and prayers for this competition be fulfilled throughout the implementation of Dr. Data 2026.
Next, we will hear an address from the President of Himasta 2026. We kindly invite Naila Vanessa Pramesti to take the stage.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to respectfully greet Professor Dr. Tarno MSI, the head of the Statistics Department at Diponegoro University. I would also like to respectfully greet Mrs. Debbie Fakriana SSI MStat, the advisor of Himasta activities, as well as Nabila Hilmi Skotnia, the head of Dr. Data 2026, and to all participants of Dr. Data 2026 whom I am proud of. Dr. Data is an annual program organized by Himasta which aims to introduce the Statistics Department and Himasta of Diponegoro University, as well as to introduce statistics in general. The theme of Dr. Data this year is Pulse, which focuses on the analysis of the ecosystem of modern society, including social, digital, cultural, health, and environmental aspects. This event consists of 4 competition branches: DHSO, DAO, DEC, and the international competition DIC. Through this event, we hope participants can gain new experiences and strengthen their interest in the field of statistics and data. Lastly, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all committee members and parties who has contributed to the success of Dr. Data 2026. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Naila, for the message you have delivered.
We will now proceed to the next address from the head of Department of Statistics, Universitas Diponegoro. To Prof. Dr. Tarno, MSI, the floor is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya atas nama Tarno, Ketua Departemen Statistika Universitas Diponegoro. Pada kesempatan ini ingin menyampaikan selamat datang dan terima kasih kepada para peserta Dr. Data tahun 2026 yang diselenggarakan oleh Himpunan Mahasiswa Statistika bekerjasama dengan Departemen Statistika Fakultas Sains dan Matematika Universitas Diponegoro. Adapun kegiatan Dr. Data tahun 2026 seperti tahun-tahun sebelumnya menghadirkan 4 cabang lomba baik tingkat internasional maupun nasional. 1 cabang lomba Dr. Data Infographic Competition merupakan 1 cabang lomba di tingkat internasional. Kemudian ada 2 cabang lomba nasional yang diikuti oleh para mahasiswa. Yang pertama adalah Dr. Data Essay Competition. Kemudian yang kedua adalah Dr. Data Analytic Competition. Kemudian yang keempat yang diadakan secara nasional untuk siswa-siswa SMA dan yang sederajat adalah cabang lomba Dr. Data High School Statistic Competition. Adapun tujuan daripada kegiatan Dr. Data pada tahun ini adalah untuk meningkatkan literasi statistik di kalangan mahasiswa dan calon mahasiswa, khususnya mahasiswa dari SMA dan yang sederajat, karena statistika merupakan salah satu cabang ilmu yang penting untuk bangsa dan negara karena pengembangan dan penerapannya, yaitu mulai dari merancang data, mengumpulkan data, mengolah, menganalisis, dan sampai menyajikan informasi yang berharga, itu butuh statistik yang berkualitas, yang tentu saja peran mahasiswa dan siswa-siswa yang mencintai statistik itu sangat dibutuhkan untuk perkembangan statistika yang akan datang, utamanya untuk mendukung pembangunan nasional. Jadi sekali lagi terima kasih kepada para peserta lomba yang sudah berpartisipasi aktif untuk mensukseskan jalannya kegiatan dokter data melalui berbagai cabang lomba di bidang statistika. Untuk itu kami mohon maaf apabila di dalam penyelenggaraan ini banyak kekurangannya, dan mudah-mudahan nanti menjadi bahan evaluasi ke depannya untuk tahun yang akan datang agar pelaksanaan lomba dokter data ini dapat ditingkatkan ke tingkat yang lebih baik secara kuantitas maupun secara kualitas. Dan sekali lagi terima kasih juga kepada panitia yang sudah menyiapkan kegiatan ini dengan baik dari awal sampai dengan akhir. Dan mudah-mudahan dengan adanya kegiatan dokter data yang secara rutin kita adakan di Departemen Statistika Fakultas Sains dan Matematika Universitas Diponegoro ini bisa memberikan manfaat yang luas bagi bangsa dan negara di dalam membangun peradaban bangsa yang lebih baik berdasarkan data statistik yang berkualitas yang dikembangkan oleh para generasi muda yang saat ini sebagian menjadi peserta dokter data tahun 2026 ini. Mudah-mudahan acara berjalan lancar, semuanya sehat dan bisa mengikuti kegiatan dengan baik dan menghasilkan para juara yang memberikan manfaat bagi masyarakat luas. Saya kira itu, terima kasih dan mohon maaf atas segala kekurangannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much, Prof. Tarno, for your encouraging and insightful address.
It looks like we've read up all the opening sessions and welcoming speeches for Dr. Data 2026. But before we move forward, does anyone here already know what is Dr. Data all about? If you do, feel free to drop your answer in the comment below.
Well, let me share mine first. From what I know, Dr. Data is an annual event organized by Himasta Universitas Diponegoro. Each year, it brings a fresh theme along with a series of exciting competitions for the participants to enjoy. Now, as for this year, does anyone know what theme Dr. Data is carrying?
I'm sure many of you are curious. Well, honestly, I'm too. So instead of keeping everyone waiting, let's hear the full explanation about Dr. Data 2026, presented by Salma Aulia. Salma, the floor is yours.
Dr. Data is a flagship program of Himasta Diponegoro University designed to introduce and apply statistical knowledge to the wider community. This year, Dr. Data carries the theme Pulse, progressing toward a unified, livable, and sustainable ecosystem. The theme is inspired by the ongoing shift in modern life, influenced by technology, digital culture, urban mobility, as well as growing concerns surrounding health and the environment. Through polls, we are invited to live the rhythm or heartbeat of today's society, how people live, interact, and build well-being. Using data is a primary lens of analysis. The hope is that participants will be able to recognize everyday patterns, understand community needs, and deliver meaningful insight and creative, sustainable solutions. Pulse serves as a call for the younger generation to transform data into understanding and understanding into real action, fostering an ecosystem that is more connected, livable, and adaptive.
Thank you so much, Salma, for the explanation. Your presentation definitely gives us a clearer and deeper understanding to what Dr. Data is all about.
Now, moving forward, besides learning about this year theme, I'm sure many of you are also curious about the competition branches prepared for Dr. Data 2026. So, to explain each competition in more detail, we would like to invite a respective coordinator to share their overview.
The Dr. Data Infographic Competition, or DIC, is an international competition open to undergraduate and diploma students both domestically and abroad. This competition challenges participants to design data-driven infographics that are strategic, effective, and sustainable. Under the theme PULSE, Progressing Toward a Unified, Livable, and Sustainable Ecosystem, and 7 available sub-themes, participants are encouraged to accurately analyze data to provide relevant solutions through informative visual designs. So, prepare yourself to showcase your visual creativity, strengthen your data narrative, and prove your innovation on a stage that will determine the ultimate winner.
Dr. Data Analytic Olympiad is a competition designed for university students to solve statistical problems broadly and analyze data carefully in order to provide appropriate solutions to given challenges. In this competition, participants will be challenged to think quickly and accurately, while presenting their solutions clearly. This is a golden opportunity to enhance your data analysis skills, develop critical thinking, and compete with students from various universities. Moreover, you will also have the chance to contribute directly to efforts aimed at improving potential and promoting sustainable development in Southeast Asia. After the preliminary round, the top 10 teams will advance to the semifinal round. In the semifinal stage, participants will face the data analysis challenge, where they are required to analyze the given dataset and provide well-structured insights and solutions. The top 5 teams from the semifinal will advance to the final round, which will be held offline at Universitas Diponegoro. In the final round, each team will present the results of their data analysis in front of the panel of judges. Challenge yourself, think critically, and demonstrate your best ideas throughout the competition.
Dr. Data Essay Competition is a national essay competition for university students. This competition provides a space for students to share ideas, think critically, and explore real-world problems through a data-driven perspective. This year, Dr. Data highlights modern life is changing rapidly from technology and digital habits to urban life and social trends. Through this theme, participants are invited to explore this change and understand the pulse of modern society using data. Participants are expected to identify real issues and propose practical solutions supported by data by choosing the provided subtopics. The essay should present ideas in clear and structured way using relevant theory and data analysis from statistics or data science. Participants are also expected to follow the accurate reading format, use reliable reference, and explain their idea clearly. After the preliminary round, 5 best teams will advance to the final round, which will be held offline at Universitas Diponegoro. In this stage, finalists will present their ideas through a presentation and join a Q&A session with the judges. Through the ECE 2026, we invite all participants to see that data tells the story of our lives, and with the right ideas, it can lead to meaningful solutions for the future. Good luck.
Dr. Data High School Statistics Olympiad, or DHSO, is a competition for high school students to solve mathematics and statistic problems and analyze data. Through this competition, participants can improve their critical thinking, problem solving, and data analysis skill while competing with students from many schools across Indonesia. The competition starts with an online preliminary round where participants will work on mathematics statistic problem. The best 6 teams will advance to the final round held offline at Diponegoro University. In the final round, each team will analyze a given problem and present their solution in front of the judges. Challenge yourself and show your best perform in DSO.
Thanks again to the competition division for the brief yet comprehensive explanation. We hope this overview helps all the participants and viewers to understand the technical aspects of each category, and of course encourages both sportsmanship and creativity throughout the competition.
After hearing all the explanation about Dr. Data and its competition branches, we finally reached one of the most anticipated moments of today's event. This time we have a special cultural performance from BIOS traditional dance.
In Indonesia, traditional dance often serves as a symbol, a form of expression, storytelling, and portraying the many sides of the human life. So, what kind of performance will our guest bring us today? Well, instead of keeping you guys around, let's welcome and enjoy a stunning performance from BIOS traditional dance.
Penari kian kemari, jalan berlenggang aduh, langkah gayanya menurut suara irama gambang. Sambil bernyanyi, jongkok berdiri, kaki melintang aduh, itulah dia malam gembira, tari berdendang, bersukaria, gelak tertawa, semua orang karena hati tertarik, gerak-gerik si tukang kendang. Empat penari membikin hati menjadi senang aduh, itulah dia malam gembira, Gambang Semarang. Penari kian kemari, jalan berlenggang aduh, langkah gayanya menurut suara irama gambang. Sambil bernyanyi, jongkok berdiri, kaki melintang aduh, itulah dia malam gembira, tari berdendang, bersukaria, gelak tertawa, semua orang karena hati tertarik, gerak-gerik si tukang kendang.
Wow, what a performance!
I have to agree with you.
The message carried through the dance was truly meaningful, reminding us about the journey of life and how the world continues to evolve over time. Let's give another warm round of applause for Bios for delivering such a graceful and inspiring performance.
That's right. But unfortunately, the end of that performance also marks the conclusion of our opening ceremony for Dr. Data 2026. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has joined us from the beginning until the very end.
With that, I'm Giovanni with my partner,
Shanaya,
your
Master
Master
of Ceremony for today's event, signing off.
Shalom,
Om Santi 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 Om.
Nama Budaya.
Salam kebajikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you soon, everyone.